meetup spot for a little bit of a Mexico night. We're going down to Mexico today. Yeah. So I don't know what else to say on these videos. To be honest with you, it's like there's not much I need to say. Just watch a video. I guess if you like it, hit the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, but you guys watch my videos, please hit the subscribe button. We're almost at like 300 subscribers, which is kind of cool. All right. Maybe you guys noticed this dude. I don't know. I don't know you've been in my video. I don't know. I think your car might have been in my video, but maybe. I'm not sure. Yes. Oh wow, those are bright backup lights.
All these technically Fords, right? The Ford motor.
Yeah, we made it to the meetup spot, like I said we was gonna do, in the middle of fucking Mexico. All my videos are CGI. I'm really good at this shit.
They're all CGI.
Yeah, I CGI everything. All these cars and stuff when we were running, like when we run in with simulation, they're all CGI simulations.
I know, right, bro.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Every car here is.
So you guys know the deal. We just, I just get the mods and I put them into a calculator and then we simulate the whole thing in CGI. It's pretty good. It's pretty good at this shit, bro. Really good at this shit. Oh, who's that? Bolt on tune on E30.
Yeah.
Bolt on like what? Like
it's intake, downpipe, upgraded turbo, intercooler. Oh, upgraded turbo.
Upgraded turbo.
Yeah, say that.
And what about the same thing? Upgraded turbo as well?
Same 2060, yeah.
Same tuner? Or, oh wait, you got a Mazda. It's different. Yeah.
I don't know.
That's cool though.
Yeah.
I mean, wait. How much do you guys weigh? Like, they weigh about the same?
I'm about 200 pounds.
I'm not talking about the car.
I'm about 200 pounds.
yeah, I'm about to say, I'm not talking about the car.
Like 250 wet. A personal
All right, we're in a Focus ST. All tuned up. We're gonna race a white Mazda in Mexico. Simulation GTI or CGI, not GTI.
What?
Yeah. What's that?
Bro.
1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, next race we got 10 speed. That's called 10 speed, right?
Yeah, it's
10 speed GT 2018?
It's 2020.
2020. Oh shit, it's a new one. I can't, you guys barely can see me. But we're racing WRX. The WRX really wants to do a dig. For what? We both don't really know. You know, everybody knows WRX all-wheel drive. Come on, man. You know it's easy. Oh my god, they're gonna do it on a shitty ass road too. This is gonna be. But anyways, I think he said that they can negotiate. If he does a dig, then at least then he'll do a roll with him too. So at least we'll get a little bit of content like that. But I don't. All right, so Maxim and I are really just following this WRX right now. We are literally on a dirt road. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't know what they're trying to do. I don't know.
Earlier there was like literally sand.
Yeah, we were on the gravel sand. We're still on gravel in my opinion. Like what the fuck? Like, oh my god. Like, I don't know what they want us to do or where we're going exactly.
On you, honk off the dig.
I'm actually hella surprised.
Hey man, my car's not stock.
Dude, I'm actually surprised.
I think my car's not stock. 40? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No chance. actually haven't got your name.
Clarence.
Clarence?
Uh-huh.
We're Clarence. Oh, it's hella dark. It's okay. Well, we're in an N54 135. You guys know I've been freaking wanting to get back into an N54. And after meeting Clarence, like the other, I met him a couple weeks ago actually. We were doing some simulating CGI stuff. But you know, yeah, man, this car rips. But we're going against, let's see, we got Mark 7 GTI, IS38, full 85. We got full 85 370s. I don't know if Angelo's running the purple one, but Adrian's gonna run it. That's the white one. We were just in that, like the couple clips ago. If you guys are watching this, if I edit it correctly. But we're gonna see how this goes. I think we're only doing a three-way. I don't think Angelo's gonna go, or maybe I don't know. There's only 3 lanes. All right. You can feel it in your butt cheeks, bro.